Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're going to learn the process to open a Metamask wallet step by step, and we're going to show you the very basics on how to use it. Let's get started. Metamask, it's a crypto wallet that works as an extension to your browser, and you will be able to download it if you use Chrome, Firefox or the Brave browser. To start, go to your browser search bar and type the following address. You will find the link on the description to it. To add it to the browser, first click on the download button and make sure the browser is selected. And now scroll down a little bit and click on the Install Metamask for Chrome. This will redirect you to the Chrome extensions website. And now you only have to click on the Add to Chrome button and again on the Add Extension pop-up that will show up. By doing this, the download will start, and after a few seconds you will have the extension added to your browser. Then a new tab will open, meaning the extensions have been added correctly. Perfect. You can verify this by clicking on the extensions button on the right side of your browser. And if you wish, you can pin it to your taskbar so you can actually access it faster. Great. Now let's get started with our wallet. Click on Get Started and choose Create a new wallet. If you wish, you can choose to help improve MetaMask with some data or decline, it's okay. And you will be redirected to a new page to create your password. Make sure you have a safe password and preferably secure it somewhere else. Okay, once ready, agree to the terms right below and go ahead and click on Create. Perfect. You will be directed to the next page, which is the secret backup phrase. This is a very important step and we really need to pay attention to this because the words provided here will give you access to your account in any other device in case you lose access to your main one, let's say. Okay, so make sure to keep it safe and secret, since anyone with access to your secret backup phrase will actually have access to your wallet. So make sure it's really secure. Perfect. Click on the lock image to reveal the secret words and make sure to write them down one by one in the correct order. Once you do that, click on Next. Confirm the words in the correct order as requested and then click on Confirm. Perfect. We are all set. Click again to confirm and we're ready to start using our MetaMask wallet. Pretty much that's it. It's a very simple process. As you can see, initially it's giving us a message that you can use the wallet for swapping, but in this video we're only gonna cover the very basics on how to create the wallet. So we're gonna close this little window and you will be able right here to see your MetaMask wallet. In the middle top area of the wallet, you will find your Ethereum account. This is your wallet or your account for Ethereum. And now you can use this account to start sending or receiving Ether or any other tokens native of the Ethereum network, as well as to interact with apps developed on it. And well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave it on the comments below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. If you want to learn more about crypto, make sure to subscribe and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.